place, and in second place after the original dance, from France, Nathalie, Pechalat, and Fabian Bourzat. Their theme is about the world of being mad. The craziness happens in 4 stages. She begins crazy. He tries to help her with her madness. She draws him into her world. In the end, insanity for both. Their costumes are straitjackets. What a great lift, Susie. Difficult to balance, very innovative. This free dance was choreographed on the floor by a member of the French hip-hop and acrobatic dance troupe called CoR. And they're very good at making the required elements look interesting. There's 2 footwork sequences, a dance spin, and 4 lifts that are required. Cool dance spin. Notice his left foot crossing his skating foot, using that free leg to generate some power. They've been silver medalists at the French National Championships 3 years in succession. 12th place at the World Championships, and they got off to a good start this Grand Prix season with a 2nd place finish at Skate America. Well, I certainly respect that they try to push the limits and come up with creative and cool themes, because you really need to do that in ice dancing, but where they might miss a little bit of the mark is just in their technique and their footing. They could skate closer together with more speed and spend time doing that alongside the creative. And then I think they stand out more. Relying here on the costume, that's fun and cool, but if they were skating just as great as the costume is showing up, then I think they could really make their mark and be much higher ranked in the world. Well, if they can hold on to their 2nd spot, they will earn themselves a spot at the Grand Prix final. And wouldn't that be an accomplishment for a team ranked 12th in the world, but on their way up? Nathalie Pechalat and Fabian Bourzat of France. Their opening twizzles, turns on one foot, a little bit mismatched. You want those to be just spot on, dead on, moving at the same speed. But their lifts, amazing. This entrance is so difficult because of the balance that he's on one foot right there. It has to be perfection or that'll come right down dangerously, and they manage that beautifully. Great footing, nice split position into a stag, using all the momentum at the right time. And this is when the costume is then incorporated into their theme, the craziness. Now their insanity is intertwined. Cool idea, cool concept. And now we wait for the marks, and they need 68.75, and they're easily going to get that, no question. They can finish no lower than second place, and not only that, they got their personal best to boot. So all in all, a great skate for the current leaders from France.